FORTELION 24V battery module. Introduction example, AGVs AMRs. In recent years, the use of service robots and automated guided vehicles, AGV, at warehouses has expanded in order to improve productivity and overcome the challenges caused by labor shortages. The use of lead storage batteries for these devices has become popular. However, consumers had issues such as the long charging time and shorter battery life, as well as inconveniences when exchanging or carrying them due to the battery's weight. These consumer demands prompted the need to replace lead storage batteries with lithium-ion secondary batteries, which have a short charging time, longer battery life, and are more convenient when exchanging or performing maintenance work due to their light weight. Murata responded by developing the FORTELION 24V battery module that uses our unique FORTELION lithium-ion secondary battery, designed in the same size as lead storage batteries. Murata responded by developing the FORTELION 24V battery module that uses our unique FORTELION lithium-ion secondary battery, designed in the same size as lead storage batteries. And this module is being used at many companies. We'd like to introduce the reasons this battery is chosen along with an introduction example.
Under the vision to create sustainable industry and living, LexxPluss is a startup that aims to solve issues in the logistics and manufacturing industries that support infrastructure in Japan. Currently, we are developing the hybrid AMR, an autonomous mobile robot dedicated to the automation of inter-process transport at logistics centers and manufacturing sites. Hybrid AMR is a new type of AMR that the world has yet to see, integrating autonomous driving and guided driving functions into a single automated operation system. We are aiming to release this in Japan and globally. Conventional automated conveyor robots are classified into AGVs and AMRs, the former driving on guide wires on the floor and the latter autonomously driving using self-driving technologies. AGVs are relatively inexpensive, but require more maintenance work due to the need to lay out the guide wires throughout the logistics center. While AMRs tend to be more expensive due to their higher technical demands for sophisticated collaboration with work processes and meeting conveyor towing weight requirements. LexxPluss's automated conveyor robot is equipped with the hybrid control technology, which integrates the AGV's guided driving function and the AMR's autonomous driving function into a single unit. Using guided driving function when working in narrow passageways or with workers, and autonomous driving function for evading people and objects while driving, enables a wide range of performance in different environments in every logistics warehouse. We were developing an automated conveyor robot that can be loaded up to 300 kilograms and tow up to 500 kilograms, in a size of 60 centimeters x 60 centimeters, which is among the smallest in the industry. The battery we adopted at the time was excellent in terms of capacity and convenience of installation, but had some safety concerns, so we were looking for an alternative. We have a corporate vision to create sustainable industry and living and plan to expand our business beyond AMRs. Our future service development will focus on reducing workloads and improving safety. Therefore, we needed to adopt a battery that ensures safety, not to mention has good capacity and is easy to install. Of the FORTELION 24V battery modules, which are better than lead storage batteries in terms of capacity and ease of installation, we adopted the separate type this time. The separate type is capable of controlling multiple battery modules with a single BMU, which achieves space saving on the automated conveyor robot. We decided to use this as it fit into our compact AMRs well. The adoption of the FORTELION 24V battery module achieved downsizing of the automated conveyor robots, which further contributed to the productization and commercial production of automated conveyor systems. Dedicated to inter-process transport and applicable to any environment and inter-process space, as our offering of robot as a service.
Going forward, we will actively engage in efforts to solve customer issues using the FORTELION 24V battery module.